Tonight we examine a heated debate in Washington. Senator Josh Hawley versus the FDA over abortion medication. Hawley, a Republican from Missouri, is known for his conservative stance and recently criticized the FDA's decision to approve a new abortion drug. He accused the agency of failing to protect women's health, reigniting the national conversation about abortion access and regulation. The FDA, responsible for ensuring drug safety, stands by its scientific process. At the heart of this conflict is a fundamental disagreement over the FDA's role and the safety of abortion medications. Hawley claims the agency is putting politics above public safety, raising questions about trust in federal health institutions. This story is about more than one politician's opinion. It's about how we define safety, risk, and healthcare access in America. Let's break down the key perspectives and what's at stake for people nationwide. What triggered Hawley's criticism? The FDA approved a new generic version of mifepristone, a widely used abortion medication. On September 30, 2025, Evita Solutions became the second company authorized to produce this generic drug, joining Danco Laboratories and GenBio Pro. Generic drugs are identical to brand name versions, but often cost less, increasing access. The FDA's approval followed its standard, rigorous scientific review to ensure safety and effectiveness. For the agency, this was a routine regulatory action, not a political statement. Mifepristone has been FDA approved since 2000 and is part of a two-drug regimen for early abortion. The new approval is expected to boost supply and lower costs, consistent with the FDA's mission to expand access to safe medications. The agency maintains that its decision is grounded in science, not politics. Senator Hawley's opposition centers on safety and trust. He argues that expanding access to abortion pills endangers women, calling the drugs dangerous and even deadly. Hawley claims the FDA failed to conduct a thorough safety review and accuses the agency of political bias. He also criticizes Evita Solutions for its mission to normalize abortion, linking the FDA's decision to broader cultural debates. Hawley wants to restore Trump-era rules requiring in-person dispensing by certified providers, arguing this protects patients from serious complications. He believes removing these safeguards puts women at risk and calls for stricter regulations. The debate is as much about public trust in the FDA as it is about the drug itself. To understand the controversy, let's look at mifepristone. It's the first of two drugs used in medication abortion, blocking the hormone progesterone to stop a pregnancy from progressing. After mifepristone, patients take misoprostol, which causes the uterus to empty. This FDA-approved regimen is used up to 10 weeks of pregnancy and is considered safe and effective by major medical organizations. Common side effects include cramping and bleeding. Serious complications are rare. The FDA tracks adverse events and maintains that the benefits outweigh the risks when used as directed. Importantly, mifepristone is not emergency contraception. It terminates an existing pregnancy. Understanding this distinction is key to the current debate. The debate unfolds amid changing abortion pill regulations. For years, mifepristone required in-person dispensing under strict FDA rules. During the pandemic, the FDA allowed telehealth prescribing and mail delivery, a change made permanent under the Biden administration. Supporters say this expands access, especially for those in rural areas, and reflects mifepristone's strong safety record. Evita Solutions champions broader access, arguing abortion care is essential healthcare. Critics like Hawley see these changes as risky and want stricter controls reinstated. The FDA and medical groups maintain the drug is safe and that increased access is a positive step. The approval of a new generic has become the latest flashpoint in America's ongoing abortion debate.